6 a.m., the plant is already alive. Somewhere in this maze of steel and steam, thousands of decisions are being made every second. Most of them by something you can't see. They call it Buddy. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't blink. And this morning, it's already found a problem before anyone else has.
Temps creeping up in the freezer tunnel. Same thing that caused a seal issue last spring. Except back then, we didn't catch it till product was already spoiled.
Today, the system caught it in real time and made a decision on its own.
2 years ago, this would have been me, running back and forth, guessing. Now, I just trust the map.
It's not flashy. There's no dramatic alarm, no red lights flashing. Just a quiet adjustment made in seconds that keeps a production line and a paycheck running. This is what AI in a factory actually looks like. Not a takeover, a partnership. One line, one decision, one shift at a time. Spot it, adjust it, keep it moving. That's AI on the floor.